To create a new web page within your website, you want to log in with your username and your password. Once you're logged in, you can then click Add, and this is where you can create a new page. All the information can be filled out on this single screen. I will walk through each section and better explain what each one is for. Vertical. This is the folder that you want to add the page to within the website. By default, this will be set to the department that you've selected from the resource tree. Template. Once you choose a vertical, the available templates or page layouts are shown. The interior layout will be the most common as it is the layout from your normal content pages. If your website has a landing page, you may see landing as an option. There may be additional choices here depending on how many templates your website has. Social media image URL. The image you select here will be put into the OG image metadata tag on the page. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn will use this image when this page is shared on social media. The optimal image size for the social media image is 1200 by 628 pixels. Page name. This is where you can enter a brief name for the content page. Entering a page name will autofill the file name. File name. Enter the file name if necessary. In most cases, this will autofill from the page name. It can only contain letters, numbers, dashes, and underscores. Because of these limitations, you may see some slight differences from the page name. The file name will be a part of the page URL. Workflow. Assign your new page to the workflow by selecting it from the drop-down. Note that if your site does not have workflow set up, this field will not appear. In almost all cases, you should leave this field blank. Inform an administrator that you have added a new page and they will make agreements to have it added to the correct workflow. Do not attempt to add the page yourself unless you have an administrator access and a good understanding of workflow tools. Tags. You can choose to add tags to the page from a predefined list. This allows you to search for the page from within the CMS by tag, allowing you to categorize the page to find them easily. The tags are not visible on the website or on a public-facing website. Description. This is the description meta tag. It has 254 characters maximum and should be a brief summary of the content presented on the page. Keywords. The keywords meta tag. It has 254 characters maximum. This field is for advanced users and should generally not be used. Note that Google and Bing do not consider keywords, therefore, this field is not necessary and should, in most cases, be left empty. The last section is internal notes. This page is for notes about the page that you may want to store in the CMS but not be visible to the public. Notes can be viewed on the page properties as well as in the page overview report. Once you have finished filling in all the information for your new page, you can then proceed with clicking Save Changes. After clicking Save Changes, the page will be created in the content management system and you'll be prompted if you'd like to edit the page. Click Edit the new page to proceed with the content editor or close to return to the file list.